Good morning. It is brutally cold here in Connecticut. I'm up here visiting some family and I want to photograph some of this snow. So today I'm going to wander through the woods and see if I can find something interesting to photograph. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, it is brutally cold here. It's about 10 degrees, 15 degrees Fahrenheit. That's somewhere below 0 Celsius. I'm gonna leave the exact temperature right below here. But it is really, really cold. And that's what I wanna feel in the image, this really, really cold weather here. Now, one of the things that I'm gonna run into is contrast. I have this incredibly white snow. This snow is so white. And I wanna get the contrast with the trees and the branches and I kind of have this idea of what I have in my head, but I want to get that contrast in there. And I want to feel the weight of the snow. I want someone, when they look at this image here, I want them to feel the weight of the snow. I want them to actually feel cold when they look into the image here and just hold you in place there. And that's kind of what I'm feeling too. And so I'm not sure if I'm looking for a bunch of trees standing up in the snow or a bunch of branches, but I think here I'm going to find it. And I'm gonna wander through the woods here a little bit. I gotta stay in the shade here because even though it is extremely cold here, the sun's coming through here and it's warming up the snow and it's starting to fall off the branches. So I'm gonna kind of find out where I'm gonna set up here. But something I have to be really conscious about is the huge contrast in colors here. We got the extreme white of the snow, and then we got the contrasting of the browns, blacks, and greens of the trees all around it. So I got to kind of work with that a little bit here. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this, but I really feel like I can do it. I don't know if you can see this, but the sun is starting to come through the trees. So I'm going to really kind of look around here and see what I can find to take a picture here. I'm really hoping I can hold out as far as temperature goes because I am really, really cold right now. So the image I'm taking here is an image of a bunch of trees standing straight up. These are pine trees here that are standing up. I believe these are white pines. And we're in a situation where all those branches are covered in this the white snow here. And then you got these brown silhouettes sticking up there. You got a few trees that are laying on the ground here. And in the background, you have even more snow holding down even more branches. It just feels really, really heavy. I think this image will look really, really good on a piece of nice matte paper. I really am feeling that this is one of those images that I really think could be really, really good. So anyways, if this image is any good, here it is. This image here is an image of pine needles with snow on top of it. It's kind of what I originally, when I came out here, this is what I was thinking about taking. But when I saw those pictures behind me of all this bleakness behind me, I wanted to take it. But I really enjoyed this image here. I think this might be something that would look really good in a, I'm not sure what. I mean, I just feel the image here. Like I said, I want to get a picture of that weight of the snow on top of it, the color of the green, the contrast of the snow and the normal color of the forest, you know, the browns, the greens. With this, I just feel like it's a really good image here. I'm hoping that it comes out right, but if this image is any good, here it is. Well, you know, you have to make the best of whatever situation you're in. When I originally planned on coming up here, I planned on photographing seabirds. That was my goal. And the problem was I really wasn't able to get the brutal coldness. When I drove up here from North Carolina, we drove up through a snowstorm. So we weren't able to really get out and take some pictures of snowbird. Wasn't able to make a video here. So I've decided to make this video here because this snow is just seems so powerful. I just think this is such a great opportunity to take photographs of this snow here. We don't get this in North Carolina, and being here where it's going on is just fantastic. So I'm hoping you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because it really helps us in YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy, and thank you for watching.